Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am cleaning my home and talking to along with me. A clean home creates calm and peaceful mind. I always starting by packing. You did not have to clean everything at once, just 50 to 20 minutes of cleaning every day can make a big difference. Small daily habits help you keep your home fresh and organized. If you enjoy cleaning and home videos, do not forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe for more cleaning motivation. Thanks for watching.